Welcome to the second part of this video. We'll show you how to download your COVID vaccine certificate. In the previous video, we showed you how to log in and create an account. So in this video, we'll show you how to now sign in and download your certificate. So first, go to the portal, go to your favorite browser and type in portal.health.go.ke. So once there, you go to the sign in button. So sign in with the credentials that you used when you're creating your account. So in my case, I'll use my ID number, then enter your password. So use the password that you used when you're creating your account. You'll be able to log in. So once you log in, you'll have this interface. So you'll be able to view your profile details, where you'll be able to view your name, ID number, age, telephone number, your email address, gender, and your religion. You'll also be able to see your next of kin and these other details. Then on your left, you'll be able to see your vaccine schedule, where you'll be able to see the type of vaccine you got, the date that you received your first dose, second dose, and the booster dose. Then you can be able to also view your COVID vaccine certificate. So on this tab, you'll be able to download. So once it's downloaded, you'll be able to go to the download folder and be able to access your certificate for printing. Down here, you can be able to change your password. So in case you don't want to update your login credentials, so on this tab you're able to update your password. So that is how you're able to download your COVID vaccine certificate.